How to find your mobile hotspot password on Android. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily find your hotspot's password on your Android device. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing you need to do is navigate your way to the phone settings. So I'm just going to do that from here. And once you get to your settings, first thing you need to do is find your connection settings. It might be different depending on the device you're using, but overall the settings are the same. Go ahead and tap on connections, and from here you're just going to find mobile hotspot and tethering. Go ahead and tap on this option right here and tap on turn on mobile hotspot. For that, you will have to turn off your Wi-Fi, which I'm not going to do right now, but you can go ahead and open up its settings. And you'll find your network name right here, which you can configure. You can also find your password right here, which you can configure as well. So you can set it up the way you want, which will at least has to be 8 characters. You can choose your band. You can also make it so that the hotspot that you are tethering is 5 gigahertz, and you can choose your security as well. And after doing this, you can tweak with the advanced settings here as well. And once you do that, you can just tap on save. And that's how you easily find your password. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.